My view on the US cash rate is they will definitely raise it before the end of this year.
September.
But I noticed in a recent speech by the head of the US Central Bank, she used the word gradual or gradually 25 times in one talk. So she's really trying to convince the US market that don't fear and don't worry too much about when the first move's made. Look for that very gradual trajectory. And that, I think, will work until there is a surprise on inflation. I think there will be in the next couple of years. I'm not smart enough to know when.
So are you saying this year, let's say September or December or whenever they have the meeting, are you saying it'll be less than 25 basis points?
No, it'll be 25 basis points, but just one increase this year.
Now remember, in June they said, the dot point said there would be two.
That's right.
But the markets have moved them, so do you think the Fed goes with that move?
But also, the US dollar has moved up 20% in the last 12 months, and that is a bit of a restrictive move.
Yeah.
If they push the cash rate up too aggressively, they'll have a very strong US dollar, even stronger than otherwise, and that would hurt the US recovery.
I sort of think they'll go in September, and I think they'll go the least amount, and they'll try and shut the window. What they have to do is lift the Fed funds, make the 10 years rally, and stop the rally in the currency. Very hard to do. Very
hard to do. And where they're vulnerable, no one's predicting inflation for America, but every year has its surprise. Every year has its factor X. And what if factor X next year is that with the US job market, unemployment below 5%, corporates suddenly realising they've been very, very mean with the wages they've been paying. What if the US has inflation of 2.5%, 3%?
Yeah.
That is the risk. And that's why I'm a big believer in a balanced portfolio that prepares people for that kind of activity.
Absolutely.